I've been doing universal spheres nearly daily for 4.5 years and been an instructor for over 2 years. And during that time, I've heard of lots of people who see planets, galaxies, stars, nature scenes like waterfalls, trees, colors. And up until 2 weeks ago, Monday, I never saw anything when I did spheres. I always do them with my eyes closed, and I was totally okay with not seeing anything. And what happened 2 weeks ago, Monday, was incredible. As I was doing my spheres with my eyes closed, I started seeing shifting geometric patterns, and it was wonderful. It was beautiful. I didn't want to leave. I just wanted to stay there forever. It was shifting, and it was almost like dancing. And I was intensely curious to see what would come next. And I was blown away by that. And a few days later, I had a call with my good friend Paul Marwood. He's the co-founder of Universal Sphere, and him and his wife Holly are the ones who taught me Universal Sphere and also led me in instructor training. And when I told Paul that, he was all excited and he said, "Welcome to the universe. Sorry, welcome to the multiverse." So I just wanted to share that with you. I'm not saying that's guaranteed when you do spheres, when you learn how to do spheres, when you have a universal sphere session or experience. However, it is possible. And I know in our group of universal sphere practitioners, there are various people who have seen shifting geometric patterns, who see colors, etc. So thanks for watching. For those of you, if you are curious to learn more about Universal Sphere, I'll put a link in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Take care and be well.